In today's modern society, doesn't matter if you're living in the city or in the country, you're bound to have packages delivered to your home. So one of the convenient things about having a smart doorbell is being able to keep track of those packages. If you're like me and many other viewers on here who don't want to deal with the hassle of running cables, working with electrical, and all that other inconvenient stuff just to set up a smart doorbell, then this video might be the one for you. After hours of doing research and looking into smart doorbells, trying to decide which one would work great for our home, I decided on 3 things that I really didn't want and 3 things that I really did want inside of my new security doorbell. So before we dive too far into the video, I'd like to ask you folks to please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing with your friends and family, as that helps this channel a ton. If you find extra value from this video, please come on, let's join the family. 1, I didn't want to spend a ton of time trying to install it and having to run cable. I did not want anything to do with that. Number 2, I didn't want to have to pay more than $200 to get into a decent security camera to have in my home. Being that I wasn't looking for anything overly complicated, just something that can confirm if I had packages delivered or arrived at my front door. And number 3, I really didn't want to have to pay a constant subscription just to have access to my own data, content, and information. So that's the 3 things I was looking for when I was trying to decide whether or not to get a specific smart security doorbell camera. Now, the 3 things I was looking for have to be: 1, a really easy installation that was pretty much plug and play. Number 2, I was looking for something with a very user-friendly interface. And number 3, like I had mentioned in my gripes before, finding something within a very affordable price range, but not losing a ton of quality because I'm going for more affordability. And that landed me on the EUFY 2E doorbell. This EUFY 2E doorbell is super easy to install with 2 screws, a convenient location, and a slight little adapter to be able to angle the camera to look down a certain driveway if you've got an angled driveway like I do. It's also got no subscription fees, so you're not paying every single month out of pocket to be able to gain access to all the footage that is collected on your device. It is such an easy experience to be able to use this doorbell and to be able to use the app itself. Not only that, but when somebody does come up to the doorbell, it not only notifies me at the front door, it notifies me at the home base, which is super convenient, especially if I'm in a different part of the home. And if I'm not home, it notifies me on my cell phone or the device that's connected to the EUFY app, making this a super convenient piece of equipment. Now, some pro tips about this device, because not everything is sunshine and rainbows when it comes to technology. Like many of you out there, you probably have an experience when it comes to Wi-Fi enabled products. If it's not close enough to a router that provides the device with Wi-Fi, you could have some issues with timing. Delayed timing. When you push on the button itself, there might be a slight delay. But beyond that fact, the device works very, very well. But like I mentioned before, this device works great for what we need it for, and I could see this being very beneficial to some of you viewers right now. When I came across this product on Amazon, it was on sale, so it was a great deal at the time. You'll probably find them on sale again here soon, being that these products like to cycle pretty often throughout the year. And because technology is just that way. Things cycle through pretty quickly and are outdated within a short amount of time. But when it comes to this kind of a product, quality is still good, you can still have the reliability, and the support for the product typically lasts for a very long time. Now, if you folks are looking for a deeper dive into the wondrous workings of security cameras and networking, consider checking out this channel right here. I don't know that channel, I just know that their content's good. So if you're considering looking for an affordable, reliable, and user-friendly smart doorbell, consider getting the EUFY 2E smart doorbell that's available now on Amazon.
And before you go, there's a video up top there, and I go over 4 different EUFY security cameras with my honest opinion and review. Check it out. Aloha.
All right, hopefully you have a wonderful day. Thanks for checking out the channel, folks. As always, mahalo and aloha. Chee